Hi friends, I am Wesam. Welcome back to Wesam and Friends. Today we're going to learn a new letter. It's letter F. Let's go! I don't know why I said that. Okay, anyways. This is what the letter F looks like. It's an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. I didn't know that I'm really handsome, but this is even more handsome. But it's the opposite around, skills. Okay, now it sounded. I don't know why I said that. That's its sound. Now let's draw it. Or is it called writing? It's the same, maybe. Now draw. We make a stick to the right or left, and then another one but smaller. Now the lowercase f. A curve, a stick, and a sideways stick. That's the fix. I like when I rhyme. Anyway, now for some words. It's a word party. These are the words. They are. Let's practice some words. Yeah. Anyway, fox. Fox. Can you say it? Nice. And now fish. It's a creature that lives in the sea and has to breathe in the sea, and it swims very fast. Good. Well, a fox is like a predator to eat rabbits and other things that are small like that. Good. And now, frog. It's like a fish, but it can also breathe in water. I mean, like air and stuff. Nice. Last one. Fire truck. Fire truck. Well, it's an emergency vehicle that helps people from fires. Bravo! Now, let's play an F quiz. So, which words start with F? Nice work, the light fell. Now, for a fun sentence from the words. The fox and the fish saw a frog sitting on a fire truck. That's kind of crazy, but I like it. It's nice being here, but sorry to say, but it's the end of the video. And if you want to watch more of my videos, just subscribe and comment below what do you think should be next on our adventure. Bye!